Alright, and I'm back with an update, and I got my old light running, so you'll be able to see everything. So this is the diff. This thing's welded, works like LSD, and it has the upgraded ramp style spring in it. I did all that. Just got to get some diff fluid. Yeah, I'm about to install that up here. Things. I know it looks spooky because it's close to Halloween, but I just got to take my exhaust off over there with the resonator. I don't know why the axle tip rusted over there. This one came out fine. Like, this one was fine. That one I wrapped everything up in saran wrap on my move here, but some of this stuff just got a little rusty. It's just surface rust, so I'll be good. But yeah, you can see my setup. Gas tank is out. I just put it in the trunk for now. Yeah, I don't think, let me get my light. Yeah, I don't think the RSX is gonna work just because of that hump right there. I'm looking at a CRZ gas tank because I need one that's longer, a little bit longer, but not as wide as this one is. Like, this sucker is huge. But yeah, that's my update.